Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect Stripe with Bubble.io. Just follow these steps so you can accept payments smoothly inside your Bubble app. Step 1. Create your Bubble app. Go to Bubble.io, create a new app and start with a blank canvas. You can work in development or live. Bubble automatically uses the correct Stripe keys for each environment. Step 2. Set up your Stripe account. Go to stripe.com, sign up or log in. Then go to Developers, click API keys. Copy your test publishable key and test secret key. You'll paste these into Bubble later. Stick with test mode for now so you can simulate real payments using test cards. Step 3. Set up your pricing in Stripe. Decide how you plan to charge customers. One-time payments, subscriptions, trials, or metered usage. This is where you structure your billing inside Stripe, not Bubble. Step 4. Create a product and price. In your Stripe dashboard, click Plus, Add Product. Name it Example, Pro Plan. Under Pricing, click Add Price. Choose one-time or recurring. Set the amount and billing interval. Stripe will generate a price ID like price123... Use this ID in Bubble workflows for subscriptions or Stripe checkout. Pro tip: store the price ID in your Bubble database, don't hardcode pricing. Step 5. Install the Stripe plugin in Bubble. Open your Bubble app, then Plugins, click Add Plugins, then search Stripe. Install the official Stripe plugin by Bubble. Paste your test publishable key and test secret key. Bubble will switch between test or live automatically depending on your app mode. Step 6. Set redirect URLs, Stripe checkout. If using Stripe checkout, set your success and cancel URLs. For example, success, yourapp.bubbleapps.io/success. Cancel, yourapp.bubbleapps.io/cancel. You can also control redirects with Bubble workflows, but having fallback URLs is always safer. And that's it. Follow these steps and you'll have Stripe fully connected to your Bubble.io app, making it easy to accept payments, subscriptions, and more.